Hello everyone, so glad you could join me again today. Welcome back to the channel. This is video 12 of the Merry Christmas Gnomes. You can see how far we gotten, how far there is to go. And we will be working on this rectangular today. I just need to remove the cellophane and dial you in. As always, please subscribe. It's 100% free, and it always helps anyone's channel, not just mine, but anyone's that you watch. Hit the bell notification only if you want to be notified when I release videos. Hit the thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you like my content. And do leave a comment, suggestions, ideal. Let me know if the audio is okay. Some people have been saying that they're having problems hearing me. As always, I hope everyone is doing well today, or as well as can be expected. And as I had said, this is video 12. We are nicely past the halfway point of this painting. I hope everyone has been enjoying the paintings I'm doing. Please let me know what you may want to see done, or you just like watching them in general. Okay. As I said, I'm doing number 8. And this is apparently the gnomes' mustaches and whatnot is like this red color. So that is what color's been assigned to them by the manufacturer of the painting. All right, that's number 8. Now we'll work on number 9. Just need to shake out some drills here, some rows. Okay. We got a row of 5. With this stylus, I like to usually do rows of 4 or more that's needed done, because my smaller stylus can handle smaller amounts. So, makes it nice for my hands to be able to switch back and forth. That way you get less fatigue when doing them, because of the switching and the difference in sizes. All right, now we're going to my smaller stylus. Okay, and I have some single ones down here. I missed an 8 right there. Okay. Several 8s, in fact, now that I'm looking at it. Okay. Have, whoops, that one's upside down. Cannot put one in upside down. Right. Okay, there's a 9. Now I don't see any 8s up there or 9s, but I got several 8s down here. Apparently I had missed them when I was doing them. So we're just going to grab that and fill them back in. All right. Then we have the letter X. All right. There is one. There is one. Right. Okay. And then we have several down in here around their mouth. They got like these long handlebar mustaches. Remind me of Texas people. Well, at least how they used to depict them. Okay. All right, and then I got 2 really big, okay. So we have 4. Not sticking. All right. And then another 4. And there we go. All right, then we have the letter T. X and then T. And these are scattered about as well. Come on, discharge. Kind of late, it already landed in there. Whoops. I thought I had one. Guess I didn't. T. Whoops. Okay, and then a cluster of 2. Right there. Oh, and another cluster. Right up here. Okay. And then we have a number 7. Okay. Shake out some of these. And then okay. Well then, gotta love it. Gotta love it. Whoops. Sometimes it seems like they can't get one stuck, and then another time you can't get one off the stylus. It's crazy. Get off from it. Funny. Funny how that works. Okay. All right. So now we got some groupings. We're going to fill those in. Okay. Number 7. And I do believe that is all. I don't see any more. So then we have an R. And we're going to go ahead and do the letter R. And we have a few more. Well then. I didn't know what I was going to have until I started doing it. Didn't really notice. Okay, so now I got groupings, so gotta shake some of these lines out so I can group them together. Have 2 here and 2 here. Okay, and 4 right there. That was a risky move. Sometimes I can get them to stick and sometimes I can't. 3 there. Okay, I have like 6 of them right there. Gonna use my larger stylus for that. That's just way too many. Okay. 3 there. Sometimes I count them to myself as well, as you'll notice if your audio is good and you can hear me like whispering myself how many there are in a row. Because on the clusters, they're different amounts. Might be 2, might be 3, might be 4, might be 5, 6, 7. I think that my stylus goes up to like maybe 8 or 9 in a row. Okay, so letter R. I do believe that is it. So now we have number 3. And we have, gonna have to make some rows here. I see a couple of very, very big rows of 3. So we are going to Yep, one whole cluster line. And then we have a part of a cluster line. There we are. And the rest, I believe, I can use just a little stylist. Okay. Whoops. I dropped one. Okay. Let's try. Well done. 3. 3. Okay. No more 3s. I don't see anymore. Okay, so next we're going to do the letter O. Gonna do the letter O on the single ones at this point. Okay, I'm not getting enough connection on this one, so I have to add just a little bit of new adhesive to it. I'm not quite. Okay. Sometimes the adhesion starts to really go, and then it won't catch the drills at all. Again, it's just never know. Just shifting that, I guess, so it allows me to get the other drills in. It's another thing, sometimes if they're off-centered, they create complications on getting the other drills to go in. Whoops, I thought I had it, but I did not. Oh, I guess I did, and it dropped right there. There we go. All right, looking for letters O's, and I don't see any more. So we're going to move on to K. Okay. Well, it's the only big one I see. So we'll just go ahead and start working on some of the others. Okay, so now we'll work on these smaller groupings. Right. Okay. See another K right there. All right. And then we're gonna do the letter Y. Put K's back, grab Y's. Okay. It didn't discharge anyways. Well then. And still. Okay. And then we've got clusters. Whoops. Come on. First, you don't want to stay on, and then you don't want to come off. Alrighty then. Okay. Oh, of course. Two more clusters that I see right off, then we'll check it. And then probably move on to the next letter or number. Okay, very good. Then we have number 5. Put Y back. Drag out number 5. We have a few of these. Okay, now we're just glancing over. All right, it appears I got them all. Next will be the letter E. Okay, have quite a lot of these down here. This is, again, part of the mustache of the gnome. So, we're going to fill in the singular ones first. Then we're doing the clusters. And we got a few here, there, right there, and one more, right there. Whoops. Awesome. Next we have the letter P. Okay. I'm going to shake this one out a little. It looks like there's quite a few. Randomly placed. Okay. So, just checking this. It looks like they're all over here. So, we're going to work on scoping down into the cluster amounts. So, it helps with some of the focusing on what needs done. Don't know if anyone ever noticed that, because when there's a lot of them, it's hard to notice them in appropriate amounts. Okay, there was, oh, guess not. Yep, there's a P by itself. All right, and then the rest are clusters that we can fill in. Okay, letter P. Next letter we're going to work on is going to be S. I would like to get these small amounts of S's done out of that number, so it's not as distracting. Okay. Okay, any over in here? I do not believe so. That was it. Then we're going to go for the letter J. So put S back, and we're going to go for J. Work our way down this edge. And work our way over, I guess. Right there's one. And around there. Yeah, it's very hard to see these amidst all these other letters. I hope that's it. Then we're going to do the number 6. So, put that back, grab 6. Okay. See a cluster right here. Then we have singles wandering around. Okay. I do believe that is it. Then we're going to go for the letter N. Okay. Well, I have a lot of these. Some are singular, others are groupings. I'm working on some single ones right now. But there are plenty that are groupings. So I might end up switching back and forth on this one. Just because of that very reason. Yeah, there's a lot of groupings of these. It's hard to decipher by sight. I see a few more singles. I'm gonna fill that in. All right, I even see some larger groupings of this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, right here. And then we have a group of 5. Okay, another group of 5. All right. Another group of 6. As I said, there's quite a bit of different sizes of groupings going on of these. All right, another 4. And we have 4 right there and there. I need to shake this one out. I'm running out of rows. Okay, now we'll go back to the smaller stylus and we'll start filling in these smaller amounts. Okay, that does the letter N. Now we'll work with the letter C. We'll get that filled in. And a couple there. Whoops. Of course, it did discharge. There we go. And then we hit the letter F. All right. C. The letter F that finishes that gnome's nose off is that right there. So okay. And then we have, I missed a J. I see it right there. So put F back. We're going to hijack a J and put it in. It's right there. Now we're going to do the letter L. Okay. Need to shake out the tray. Get some rows going on here. And we are going to work with L now. And we're just filling in some singular ones at this point that are all by their lonesome. So okay, now we'll do, well, there's another right there. Now we'll go ahead and start with groupings. Okay. All right, now, so now we're going to do the number 4. Which is right over here, and it's a very, very dark, very dark color. Okay. Okay, and a cluster right there. And as I said, the videos are quite a bit longer, number 7, and I think I already did them and I missed them because there was so many different colors here. And when there are that many different colors, the videos last a lot longer because you're constantly changing the color that you're filling in. So that is quite the clusters amount here. And then we are going to finish off this video with the number 2. That's all that's left. It's number 2, which is a really pale pearly color. Okay, now we got just a few clusters here. And of course, as always, please subscribe. 100% free. Hit the thumbs up to show that you like the videos. Hit the bell notification only if you want to be notified when I release new videos. Leave a comment, suggestion, ideal, how you've been, what you feel, think about the videos. What area you live in, like what continent and or country. Please make it 7 words or longer, or YouTube does not count it as interaction among the viewers and the content creators. And I also like to say how much I appreciate each and every one of you for watching my content and help supporting the channel by doing so. I can't wait to be monetized. When I am monetized, I will link my eBay store onto it so you can even buy these paintings if you happen to like the looks of them. As always, again, I so appreciate you. And until next time, see you then.